In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos in Google Photos. If you want to store your pictures online, keep them organized, and access them from different devices, Google Photos is a great option. The upload process is simple, and once you know where the right buttons are, you can add your images in just a few moments. To get started, open your browser and go to Google Photos. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main Google Photos page so you can see your photo library and the available menu options clearly. This is where you'll manage uploads, view existing images, and keep track of your media. Next, look for the Add button. It appears as a plus sign, and this is the main shortcut for bringing new content into your account. Click that button to open the upload options. If you don't see it right away, give yourself a second to scan the top area of the page since that's typically where it appears. After clicking the plus sign, choose Import Photos. This tells Google Photos that you want to upload image files from your device. Once you select this option, a file browser window should open automatically. This is the part where you'll choose exactly which pictures you want to add. Now, go to the folder on your computer where your photos are saved. Select the images you want to upload. You can choose a single photo or select multiple files at once if you want to upload several images together. Taking a quick moment here to confirm you've picked the right files can save time later, especially if you have similar looking folders or duplicate images on your device. Once you've made your selection, proceed so the upload can begin. Google Photos will start transferring the files into your library. Depending on the size and number of photos, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a little longer. A stable internet connection can help make the process smoother. Finally, click Show More if you want to check which photos are currently uploading. This is useful for monitoring progress and confirming that the correct files are being added. If you uploaded multiple images, this view can help you verify that everything is moving along as expected. And that's it. That's how to upload photos in Google Photos. Once the upload finishes, your pictures should appear in your library ready to view, organize, and use across your devices.